support. And now, may I request Mr. Easwaran, Singapore Minister, to speak a few words on this historic occasion.
Your Excellency, Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of India, Your Excellency, Shri Chandrababu Naidu, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Your Excellency, Shri Venkaiah Naidu, Union Minister of Urban Development, Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation and Parliamentary Affairs, Your Excellencies, Governors, Union Ministers, Minister from Japan, distinguished guests and the people of Andhra Pradesh. Namaskaram. Andhra Pradesh Prajalandariki na Tarpuna Vijayadashami Subhankankshalu. Dusra ki hardik shubhkamnaye. I am delighted to join all of you today in celebrating Vijayadashami and also deeply honored to represent Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong and the government and people of Singapore to witness this special ceremony to mark the beginning of Andhra Pradesh's new capital city, Amaravati. Singapore is honored and privileged to be able to play a part in Amaravati's evolving story. 1 year ago, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu visited Singapore and shared with us his inspiring vision for Andhra Pradesh and Amaravati. He wanted Andhra to have a world-class capital city, a people's capital offering jobs and opportunities for a better life, a dynamic, vibrant and highly livable city that is environmentally sustainable and respects the rich culture and heritage of the people of Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister Naidu visited Singapore and he invited us to partner him and his team to turn this vision into reality. And we readily agreed because India and Singapore are very close partners, because the Chief Minister is an old friend of Singapore, and also because this is an opportunity for us from Singapore to share with India and with Andhra Pradesh our experience in urban development to contribute to a meaningful and transformative effort in India. Prime Minister Modi, as part of his vision, urbanization has been identified as one of the key priority areas for a rising India today. His smart cities, Amrut and Swachh Bharat initiatives to develop 100 smart cities and rejuvenate another 500 have a profound impact, and they will have a profound impact on the lives of millions of Indian citizens, and it will make the urban and rural areas of India highly livable. With this in mind, Prime Minister Modi welcomed and supported Singapore's partnership with Andhra Pradesh in Amaravati's development when our Emeritus Senior Minister Goh Chok Tong and I met him last year in Delhi, and we are deeply grateful for his support and encouragement. For the past 6 months or beyond, we have had intensive work with experts from Singapore government and Singapore companies, Sabana and Jurong International, and they have worked closely with Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and his team of ministers and officials to draw up the master plans for Amaravati and the capital region. They have also begun training Andhra Pradesh officials in urban planning and management. It was very impressive and heartening to see the sense of dedication, mission and purpose of Andhra ministers and officials, as well as the support from the community and business leaders. It was also very deeply moving for us to see how the citizens of Andhra have come forward to support this effort and contribute their ideas for the future capital city. Amaravati master plans were completed in a fast time, record time, and accepted by the government of Andhra Pradesh in July this year. And they set out a long-term vision and detailed plan for the development of the capital city and the region. And they have paved the way for today's foundation ceremony. Much work now lies ahead for the government and people of Andhra to build world-class infrastructure, implement innovative economic and social policies to attract investors from India and overseas in order to realize the vision of a strong and sustainable economy and city in Amaravati. Chief Minister, Singapore stands ready to continue our partnership with you and your citizens and your team of officials and ministers, as well as the Government of India, to contribute and share our expertise for the next stage of Amaravati's development. Finally, on behalf of Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong of Singapore and the government and people of Singapore, I want to offer our congratulations and best wishes to Prime Minister Modi, Chief Minister Naidu, and all the people of Andhra Pradesh as you lay the foundation stone for your new capital city. May Amaravati fulfill its destiny as the city that lives forever and grows to be the pride and joy of all Andhra people. Namaskaram. Thank you.